What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. This is my second video today, trying to get this channel over 1,000 subscribers. It's way past time. If you haven't subscribed, go do that right now. So in this video, I will be showing you exactly how to host your online course with Systeme.io. If you don't know, I have a course. I'm not selling you a course, but if you want to check it out, it's going to be in the description. Shameless plug right there. So if you have a course that you're trying to sell, you can host it on Systeme.io, which is one of the best landing page builders in the industry. If you're looking for a low cost, high efficiency landing page builder, try Systeme.io. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your course on here and have students enroll in that course. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is to go sign up for Systeme.io. You want to sign up for one of their lowest tiers. I mean, the lowest plan is all you need to host a course on Systeme.io. Once you do that, you will come to the home page right here. So this is the home page. You want to go where it says courses. This is where you will be hosting your course. This is where you'll be uploading your courses, your videos, your teacher information, and where students will be able to log in. So once you do that, when I go to courses, and as you can see right here, I have a course hosted on the platform already, but that's not the purpose of this video. What we want to do is we want to add a new course, okay? Let's add a new course. So here is where you name your course. You had a description, what your course is about. You select the URL, you select the font, you write your instructor name, you had the logo and all of that good stuff. So let's go. So here you want to name your course. Let's name it Systeme Test Course. Now that's the name of your course. When I had a description, a course to show you how to host a course on Systeme. Boom, there you go. That's your description. When I set the language, I set as English, and now you want to set a path for your course. You can just leave that, or you can name it something else. I'm just going to name it Systeme. Now you can choose your domain name. Now in my Systeme dashboard, I have two domains set up there. One is ifdanield.com and one is learnupwork.com, where I teach people how to land freelance clients on Upwork. So for example, I'm just going to select ifdanield.com. I have the two domains linked to my account already. And with the free plan, you can link more than one domain. This is what you can do on other platforms. So you want to select the theme. So I'm just going to go with beige, for example. You want to select the font. You can leave all that. You can upload your logo, and you have to have a sales page. Now, what is your sales page? Your sales page is where you collect emails, where you collect your student information, where they go to advertise, to give more information about your course. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later, but let's say, for example, we already have our sales page. So I'm just going to select that. So you want to select your funnel step and all that good stuff. So now we have all that selected. You want to click on save. So once you do that, it's going to take you to your backend, where you will be able to add your modules, upload your video, and all this good stuff. So next thing you want to do is to click on add module. So we're just going to call it module 1. Okay, so module 1. So inside of this module 1, so your module is where you house or you host your videos, where you had your lectures. You can have as many modules as you want. So inside each module, you can talk about different topics, right? So for this module, I'm going to add a lecture. So in this module, you can add a lecture. It can be a video, it can be a non-video. So you want to name it lecture 1, right? So days after previous lectures. So you can do something where you will be dripping your course day after day. Maybe students will be able to have access after 24 hours of viewing the last one. But let's say you just want them to have unlimited access. They can go at their own pace. You want to leave it as 0. So let's say right here, you want to select a video course. You can just click on save. So now it's going to take you to the design page, where you will be able to upload your video and add more information about your course or about that lesson that you've just added. So right now, what you need to do is that if you have a video lesson for your course, what you want to do is you want to upload that video to either Vimeo, or you want to upload it to YouTube. If you click on the video upload function, it's going to take you to the settings right here. So you can custom embed a video, or you can upload a file. Now, I didn't even know they had the option to upload a file. What I knew they had was a custom embed, right? Where you can embed your video, you can upload to a direct link, or you can, just upload a file, right? So if you have a file that you want to upload, you have your video file on your computer, you can upload it here. But if you have those videos on your YouTube, for example, say, all right, once I get there, as you can see here, if I go to the content, and you will see right now where all of my videos are. So let's say I want to upload this video right here. All I have to do is get a shareable link. But once you upload your videos to YouTube, I have to say you have to make those videos unlisted. You don't want to make them private, because if you make them private, nobody is going to be able to see those videos. But you want to make them unlisted so that they do not show up on your channel, but you can still post the links to other places where people can view them. So now that I've copied the link of that video, I'm going to direct link and just add the link right here. Boom. So the video is now showing up on my Systeme IO dashboard. So now that I've done that, you want to turn off autoplay. You don't want it to play automatically. And now you just want to add, wow, these are new things. You want to add controls to your video, whether you want your students to be able to pause your videos or play them or fast forward or any of these things. So you can just do the rest of the design. And here you want to add your lecture one, want to name it something. Let's name it welcome lecture, welcome speech, right? So here you can add your description to that lecture and add everything else that you want to do. So now that you've done that, you just want to click on save changes and you want to exit. So here you have your first lecture. Now if you have more than one lecture, you can just go ahead and duplicate, right? You want to duplicate that same lecture so you can just have the same format. But before you duplicate, you want to make sure you edit that page to your taste, add every feature you want to put in there. Maybe if you want to put a button or you want to put a download link, any of those things, you can do that. So when you come here, all you have to do is just click on duplicate lecture. It's going to duplicate that. Then you can add another video, another video, and another video. So once you finish that, if you have a different module, maybe you're talking about a different topic, you can have another module right here, name it module 2 and save it. Then you can do the same thing, go inside the module, add a different lecture, and so on and so forth. So now you have module 1, module 2, module 3, and so on and so forth, right? So once you finish doing that, your course is ready to be shared. Now, what you want to do is, say, for example, let me go to a course that I've already had students enroll in. So right now, I have all of these lectures in my course, how to build a sustainable freelance business with Upwork, right? I have a lot of students in there, about 66 students so far. A lot of them haven't finished it. I don't know why. So now a lot of them, I mean, some of them are still going through it. So now that, I mean, you're seeing what it looks like on the back end, you can see the completion rate of every one of your students. So right now, if you look at the students here, they are 90% completed. If you look at some other students, some of them are 80%, 50%, and so on and so forth. So if you go back, and you can see right now that on this page, you will be able to add students to your program. Now, what you want to do is, so what happens if, you don't want to add a student manually? Here you can add your student manually. You can add the first name, last name. If you know the email, just add it there. And if you want to give them access, or you want to drip content, so the drip content is going to release one video at a time. So they watch a video today, they come back tomorrow, they watch another video, or you can just give them a full access to it. So that's what happens. That is how you host your course with Systeme.io. And the good thing is you don't have to buy, the mid tier or the top tier. All you need is a base tier in order to do this. And how do you, take in students? How do you collect emails? I made a video about that, which I'll link in the description or somewhere in the cards. You can go watch that on how to create a landing page, how to collect emails with Systeme.io. So this is how you collect, this is how you create your course and host your course on Systeme.io. If that makes sense to you, if you get anything from this video, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions about Systeme.io, make sure to leave them down in the comment section down below. So my name is Daniel. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.